It takes courage to innovate. Each time we set out to build something new, we run the risk of creating the wrong product for the wrong people. That's why the smartest innovators validate their ideas early by testing the right prototypes with the right customers. But validating your product before building it, that's not easy. And if you don't know how to do it, you can waste so much time and not get the results you're looking for. That's why we created the Innovation Bootcamp to help you validate your ideas 10x faster. You're going to learn the same techniques I've used to help product teams create some of the biggest hits of our time. This crash course gives you the tools and training you need to find the right superfans, design the right prototype, and identify a red-hot market niche that works for you, all in record time. But you don't have to take my word for it.
Don't bash your head into the same problems over and over again. The door is closed. You've got to find a window. And that is actually what game thinking is. There is a window, and we're going to go find it. And here's the instruction manual on how to do it.
This game thinking experience is really like having a brilliant product designer showing up at your door and just designing a product for you.
This concept of superfan and the superfan funnel is almost like magic. These were the exact people we were looking for, and we got on-point feedback.
It cut corners. You don't want to be spending time developing something that you should have developed in the first place.
If you want to level up your product innovation skills and get results, this bootcamp is one of the smartest investments you can make. To learn more and sign up for our next bootcamp, go to gamethinking.io/bootcamp. I'll see you on the inside.